There's a good deal of Porsche in this Volkswagen. Buried under war rubble, the VW39 has been brought back to life after a painstaking restoration. Dr. Ferdinand Porsche and his son Ferry designed the car in 1939 as a high-speed variant. For testing, they equipped the nitro black Volkswagen with a souped-up Type 64 engine from the Berlin Rome car. The pre-series Beetle boasts a stately 32 horsepower. Weighing in at just 695 kilograms, the car hits a top speed of 145 kilometers per hour. The original plan was to build 50 units. With the beginning of World War II, however, military developments take precedent. Just 14 models leave the plant in Zuffenhausen, each with a different Porsche engine. By the end of the war, they are all defunct, or nearly all. There's one exception, this VW39 with chassis number 100003. Today, it's the only remaining unit.